So in this Alight Motion tutorial, I will be showing you how to align text here in Alight Motion. So to add some text, go to the bottom right, select the plus circle. Once you're here, once again, go to the bottom right and select text. Then go ahead and type in your text. So if I were to go ahead and type in the word align right here, as you can tell by default, it is aligned to the left. If you were to drag this circle right here, nothing changes, although the longer you make it, the difference you can really make it when it comes to how aligned it is. So if you wanted to change the alignment, first and foremost, I'll make it a little larger, just like this. If you want to change the alignment in the top left, go ahead, there's like all those lines. Go ahead and press it, and you can go ahead and make it middle alignment, right alignment, or left alignment. You can kind of play around with it this way. If you want to make it middle, you can press the check mark right there. And then if you were to go ahead and increase your text like this, it is now aligned the way that you set it to be. So that's how you guys can align text here in Alight Motion. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.